Oh, weird. Oh, shit. Woo-wee. Talk about the excitement. The first ride on Laguna Seca. Let's go have some fun. So many people out here. Well, I'll be honest with you guys, this was quite a deal. It was roughly $650 for this full day of Saturday practice, which sounds like maybe 4 attempts out on the track, and then a race Saturday and a race Sunday. So this should be a lot of fun. And like I said, this is my first time out here, so it'll be quite interesting. Well, alrighty then. Get stuck with all the big bikes. Yeah, it looks like I'm the only little tiny R7. Okay, so you gotta take that hard as shit. Got it. That's a little sketchy. Maybe a second gear turn. Yeah, definitely. Apex-ish. There we go. Down to the right. Yellow is the apex. Miss that. Third gear. That'll be okay. Shit, like overdo it. There we go. It was a short shift, maybe didn't need it. Should still be in third. Over here, hit third. Just becoming in here way hotter. To hit that apex There you go. Too much. Going third gear. Should be on throttle. Damn it. Mesa. Ha! That's fucking dope, dude. I'm out here riding with fucking Mesa. Oh, they're checking us for sound. Crazy. First ride down at Laguna Seca, and let me tell you guys, that was a ton of fun. It was really through the corkscrew for the first time. I definitely, when I went in for the left-hand turn, I did not take and hold that left long enough. And you can see here, I just blew right over the green. So I was like, a little trippy, a little scary, but the second lap around, I kind of did it about right. And then third lap around, I kind of overdid it. So I'm starting to kind of narrow it in. Pretty freaking cool, but I already got to meet Mesa, which was pretty cool. And I got to ride with him out there, which was absolutely amazing. So the rest of this weekend is purely just practice all day today, and then tomorrow I have a race with, they're calling it Sound of Thunder. More modern motorcycles like my Yamaha R7. So a race Saturday, a race Sunday, gonna be awesome. I'll let you guys know how it goes, and I'll see you next week. Bye.